Children, let's see how to solve practice set 4.1 question number 2. In the question it is given triangle PQR is similar to triangle LTR. Whenever we see a letter common in the two triangles given, then this type of figure will be formed. Okay, here you can see R is common. First thing which you have to search whenever the two triangles are given similar is that if any letter is common. Here easily you can see that R is common, so that means your figure will be of this type. Okay, now after that the given information is PQ upon LT is equal to 3 upon 4 and the sides are given this PQ, RP and RQ. Okay, now using the given information we will draw the rough figure and let's see how to draw the fair figure. First of all we will draw this line. Okay, this line you will draw a little bit bigger. Like this. On this, first thing is you will take 4.8. Okay, so keep the scale here and mark 4.8. So this is my 4.8 and the name is RP. Okay, this is 4.8 centimeter. Okay, now below this you will draw any angle there is no measurement for this, just like this you will draw. You have to take it less than 90 degree, any measurement it can be, no need of taking the protector and marking it. Now in the question it is given that PQ upon LT is equal to 3 upon 4. So whichever is the in the ratio, whichever is the larger number, if it is 5 upon 4 or 2 upon 4, so we have to take the larger number and that many divisions we will draw on this arc. Okay, on this arc. This measurement, it can be you can take any measurement. There is no rule that you have to take this much only. Okay, so see this much I have taken. It may be approximately 1 centimeter. So I will take 4 divisions, 4 arcs on this because it is 3 upon 4 and the larger number is 4. So keep on the tip here, first on the tip, and draw one arc. I have got the first arc now. Now I will keep the tip on the arc which I got just now, and from there again I will draw the arc. Understood? Don't move the rounder. Now again I have got one arc on my arm. On that I will keep, and again I will draw one more arc. Like this 4 arcs you will draw. Okay, so I will keep again here. This is the 4th one. So R1, R2, R3 and R4. Okay, so these are the 4 divisions. I will write the name here: R1, R2, R3 and R4. Okay, now PQ is 3. PQ upon LT is given. It is given 3 upon 4. So from the 3rd division I will join it to the base. Okay, see R3 is here. So from R3 I will join to the P. Like this. Okay, now I have to draw a line parallel to this from R4. You cannot use set square here. Many children have the doubt using set square. You should not use the set square in this sum. Okay, so how to draw a line parallel to this? Take your rounder. You can take any measurement in between. Okay, keep on the tip. Keep on the tip of R3 and draw one arc like this. You can see the arc. The arc should pass through both the side of this angle. Okay, from R3 the arc should pass from both the arms of the angle. Now I will keep, don't move the rounder now. Okay, keep it on R4. You see this is the arc of R4. Without moving the rounder, keep here, and with the same measurement draw the arc from here also. Okay, see I have drawn 2 arcs, one here and one here. One is from R3 and the other one with the same measurement from R4 I have drawn. Now I will take what is the distance between the 2 arms of the angle. This one. So keep here and see what is the distance here. Okay, so this much is the distance. Just cut and check. Yes, this much is the distance. Okay, now wherever it is touching this arm here, See, when we draw from R4, I have got the arc here, so I will keep here and cut the arc. So I have got one intersection here. Now we will pass the line from R4 through this intersection and see wherever it is touching this line. Yes. Now this was the important part. I have left the triangle here. Let us complete the triangle also. Now in the triangle it is given that RQ is 5.4 and TP is 4.2. Okay, so first on my scale I will take 5.4. So this is 5.4 I have got. Keep it here and draw one arc. This side is 4.2, so I will take 4.2 on my scale and draw the arc. Okay, we have to extend this. Because the triangle formed will be outside it. Okay, name of the given triangle, first one is PQR. Okay, and we have to form LTR. So this will be L. See, in the rough figure I have written this is L. Now how to get the main triangle, that is L R I want T now. Okay, so the step which you have done here, no, you have to repeat it here. Just see how to do that. Keep here, you can take any measurement, draw one arc from P. Now don't move the rounder, keep it on L and again draw one arc. It should cut this line. Okay. Now measure the distance between the two arms of the angle. See, I have got this much. Now wherever this arc is cutting, keep it there and cut with the same measurement. This is the way to draw parallel line. Now keep on L and touch it here. So this is your triangle LTR. Okay, here the measurement is 5.4 centimeter and this is 4.2 centimeter. So children, like this you have to draw the perfect figure, and we know that this angle and this angle is same and this angle and this angle is same. Just now we did with the rounder to draw the lines parallel. If you draw step by step, then your figure will be perfect. Okay, be careful when you are marking this angle. Drawing the triangle, you already know, you have done it in your previous standard. Normally just draw the triangle and extend the those two sides, this arc, divisions, join it.